through. We're celebrating my wife and my 4-year anniversary, going to Vegas. So first stop, Eddie World. Los Angeles Lakers. This is original floor from the Forum. And this is just here in Eddie World. In Eddie World, here's the urinals, and there's a video game screen up here. It's not on right now, but usually you could aim your pee wherever you want to aim the ball or the missiles, and you play a whole game while you're urinating. And it looks like a Lego man holding his pee, and then a Lego woman holding her pee. As I'm walking around, I can see there's a lot of candy here, and there's a lot of stuffed animals too. Like all the different kinds of animals you could think of organized by here is like the horse-shaped kind of animals. And then at another place there's like whales. I want to suck your blood. Why I sound like Mr. Bean? Does anybody else think that solar field near the state line looks like some UFO landing spot? E.T. phone home. So that's another stop we go to is Terrible's. It has 96 pumps, 60 bathrooms, no waiting, and a nice place to get your drinks before heading into Vegas because it's cheaper. Look at how many soda pumps they have. Yeah, all these Coke products. Why is LeBron and Jason Tatum and AD on Ruffles? Come on, Clutch. You even have a breakfast side. Coffee. Looks like some hot tea or hot chocolate. All shooters with short barrels or low muzzle velocity, please move closer to the target. Oh, I think he's talking about my dick. This is where all your beer money goes. Stand closer, it's shorter than you think. Attention, all shooters, closer targets. Ready, aim, fire. We aim to please. You aim too, please. That's a lot of spots for you to go poop and peep. Jason Tatum, but then the more you turn, the more he looks like LeBron. There you go. And then Greg Oden. They got a free Pac-Man game that you can play. They even got a Bigfoot here. Hey, are you related to Harry and the Hendersons? And then here by the entrance, by the slot machines, you can make your own Skittles bag. I'm gonna go like that one lawyer Gloria. I'm gonna go all red. We're here in a beer cave and it's cold. But look at that. $2.99 for a Modelo. In Vegas, that's like 17 bucks. We got 2 Trulies and 2 cups of wine. 12 bucks. That's 1 glass of wine in Vegas. Take that, the man, you know? So a few miles away from Las Vegas is the 7 Magic Mountains. And we're gonna check that out. You could park on the side. It's free. This is 7 Magic Mountains by Ugo Rondinone. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's colorful rocks stacked up in the middle of the desert. It's free to view and there's no reservations or anything. You just drive up to the parking spot and just walk over and just immerse yourself in this art in the middle of the desert. It's like a brown desert, and this with all the colors makes it feel so I don't know. It's just art. And it's especially beautiful right now during golden hour. And there's a bunch of people taking pictures. We even saw someone take some wedding pictures nearby. Look at the sun. It's about to set. Someone even made a little rock stack right there. Oh, that's pretty cool. They have different stacks of rocks, 4 rocks, 3 rocks, 5 rocks, 6 rocks. Right there. Look at that with the moon. All the different colors. Originally, they were supposed to close this down December 2021, and they just never did. I don't know why. I didn't look into it, but we rushed to go see it back then, and now it's still here. The sun is about to go down, and we're in the middle of the desert. We're still about 20 minutes from the strip, so we gotta go soon. Make sure it stays. It kind of feels like we're on Mars or something. We're here at ParkMGM. We always stay here because we always get a comped or very discounted room. And it's smoke free, so I really like that. And there's always parking, but tonight there's a Laker game, so there's no parking. All right, room tour. First we gotta learn the exit plan. So you can line, and then there's a line, and you get a line. Then, look at this room is weird because it has a bathroom, but then one sliding door between the bathroom and the closet. But they have a safe where you could fit 2 flat papers in. They got this up here, they got that there, got the ironing board, hangers, and then look at this light. It's like one of these lights. Then we put the stroller here so that our kid doesn't accidentally get one of these things again. And then they have the TV, it pops out. Dang, it pops out. Just like my. Then they have this light from the 1970s, it looks like. Or it's a coffee filter, one or the other. Then they have paintings right up here of the pool and like half naked people. And they have a telephone here that looks semi-futuristic. And then we have this bed right here. King size bed, fit for a king. And then we go over here. This is the table where I keep my stuff, my phone, my key, my spearmint. And then we go here. Here's the outside. This is the moment of truth. Our view. Let's see what it is. Wow. The view of the pool. That's pretty cool. Stay cool, stay in school. And then we have the temperature. I always like to keep the temperature at an odd number. So not that. Yeah, that's the temperature. Is getting hot in here. Right? Am I right? Woohoo! And then comes the bathroom. Big mirror. More pictures. The throne. This stand right here with towels. And look at this. Red brick shower with see-through walls so my wife could watch me wash my body while I shower. Oh, what happened there? So a cool thing they have is digital key with your phone. You just use it to open the door or use it in the elevator. But I got this tip from Vacation is to get the physical key because you're fumbling with your phone and it takes a little while or there's no reception, then you can't get to the elevator button fast enough, and then it's awkward. It's almost as awkward as farting in the elevator. My wife and I ordered some food from Lala Noodle. We always eat here. We have like this. We can get anything on the menu and it's good. Picked it up and put it on our rewards card, earn some points. I'm filling out our cooler now so that we can put our drinks in here. The ones that we got from Terrible's, the one that was $12 for 4 drinks, so we can drink it after dinner. So I'm out here streaming. I wanted to try some streaming And right now it's on TikTok.
Hi, how are you? Hi, Norma.
I just want to say hi.
Hey.
Not on here, maybe on another channel.
La Troll.
Yeah.
Instead of La Truth, this is La Troll. I think it's the 11. That's Toaster. This is so funny.
Oh, Jay's in there. Jay, you were here just last week.
He was here last week. He came out on my video for a second.
Yeah.
La Truce. CJ Cation, you gotta call La Troll from now on.
This is Latrice. I'm here in Vegas, and look who I ran into.
What's up? Hey.
It's
Norma. Geli. Sorry, I called them La Troll earlier.
someone. I don't know. Someone on the street. Someone
I
was
thought it
like,
was hilarious. I don't know.
it's gonna be a good weekend.